And now I want to just mention coercion. Very important topic in JavaScript. What I mean by coercion? Well, sometimes in JavaScript what it does is it's smart and it thinks on our behalf and it says, cool, I'm sure you meant this, therefore let me just fix it for you and then continue the flow of the code, aka everything doesn't blow up. So let me show you what I mean. A is 10. Let B equal 5. But look what we've done. Can you see what we've done? We've put the 5 within quotation marks, which means JavaScript is going to treat that as a string. That's a string we've just defined there. So what do you think is going to happen when we add the two together? Look what JavaScript has done. It's concatenated, meaning it's combined the 10 and then it's slotted the 5 behind it. So you think that's a 105, but it's not really a 105, is it? It should be 15, but we've accidentally put that as a string. Now, most other languages would have thrown errors here. They would have said you cannot add A and B, but JavaScript hasn't done that. It's actually coerced the two together and put them together. That's a cool thing about JavaScript, but it also means you need to watch out. What's another example? Well, here's a fun one. We want to write to the screen. What do you think is going to happen when you go 5 is less than 4 is less than 3? What do you think that's going to display? Intuitively, I would have thought that would have been false. JavaScript displays that as true. And let's understand why. This is where coercion comes into it and operator precedence. So JavaScript within these brackets here operates from left to right. So first it's going to evaluate 5 less than 4. And what is 5 less than 4? What's that going to evaluate to? Well, 5 less than 4 is going to evaluate to false. So this is going to evaluate to false. And is false less than 3? And this is where coercion comes into it. Because in JavaScript, true is a 1 and false is a 0. So is 0 less than 3? The answer is yes. So it's coerced false into a number 0 and it's given you a result. So there you have it. You're starting to understand coercion now as well. You're understanding that JavaScript executes from left to right. I really am getting through this fast, guys, but I've spent years learning all this. So I really, really hope this puts you on a path to success. Let's continue.